Good morning. It's Monday, June 16th. Let's start with the gold. It's a new week. I see a major sell level right on the line here. Let me remove everything else. The gold continued up over the time last week, and now it's retracing back. I do have, let's see here, a major level, which is where the sell level is. My next support area on gold, clearly we have a level right here around 34.10 and another level around 33.75 right here. Let me look at the daily again, and on the daily you will see obviously the beginning of the major cluster of the volume profile sitting here. So this would be a major support level in my opinion. So this whole area between 34.20 all the way to 34.10, maybe a bit lower, will be support. Currently we have a support around 33, as you see, 43.30 right here. You have to pay attention to this area as well because it's a different cluster or a different density of volume profile above and below. But 34.10 is your last point of defense, or the whole area here. It could poke it, and once we poke below the line here and just go a bit deeper, it might continue all the way down. So pay attention to this detail. Looking at the Nasdaq, we had a major support around the 62% retracement, which actually made sense in a couple of ways. One of them, as you see, was also pointed to the same area before. The levels were already established. Also, we had a major sell level here, substantial attraction level, which bounced from, and now we're continuing up. On the hourly chart, I'm expecting the move to continue up. I think we have a couple of levels. No, this is wrong. We'll plot it from here. So this is your 62% retracement from the main bounce. Next targets on the Nasdaq, if we continue up, will be around 22,340, as you see. Let's look at a support level. If we can find a support level, I don't mind looking into a long on the Nasdaq again today. It's too early to decide, but anywhere around 21,600 will be possible support, but it's too early now at this time to decide. This level that I plotted a week ago remains crucial for a do or die area. So above it, above it, we continue up to this area. Below it, it might continue down. Pay attention to this as well. The ES, same, nothing changed on the ES other than we are struggling with resistance because I don't see major resistance here. What I see now, we have a point of control, as you see the red area. Once we cross it, I believe on the daily I see a major sell level, and I can tell that the market might be interested in going to it. Here's the level. We might find support, but it's too early to decide. I'm thinking possibly support around 59.60 area, maybe earlier. I'm not sure. Let's see how it's early. It's Monday, so the market needs to shape up, but that's what I see for now. In terms of targets, we might see another target around 60.80, 60.90, even 6100 area. The crude oil, nothing spectacular due to the events, the war and the bombing. I see that it did get affected and it went up, and it's about to roll over to the August contract maybe, but I keep it because we still have the majority of the volume in the July contract. No major resistance other than possibly another target. Let me see what I have from the top to the bottom. My next level, oh, it's too far, so we might continue this cluster to 84. Again, instability in the Middle East could affect the outcome or the price of the oil, but for now that's what I see. And next level of support to maybe look into a long would be around, let me see here, we have 70 for now, immediate support, but it could come back lower to around 68.20 area right here. So we have this area and possibly this area for support, for the next support level on crude oil. Thank you.